It's a new day. It's new blessings. We give all praise to the Most High, man. Let's get it. Today's date is February 3rd, 2026. And today we lost $135.50 trading the NASDAQ futures. But before we get started on the trade recap, we are going to do verse of the day. And it is coming out of the book of Mark chapter 16, verse 15. And this is Jesus speaking. And he says, "And then he told them, go into all the world and preach the good news to everyone." As followers of Christ, we have that commandment from Jesus to go spread the good news and to cross all nations. I don't mean like outside the country, but like that could start with at your house, around your friend group, at your job. Like maybe the Lord has put you in those places for you to spread the good news of Jesus coming and fulfilling the old covenant and having that relationship with him and him dying for our sins if we believe him and trust in him with all our heart that he is Lord. But let's get started on the trade recap. So yeah, I did lose $435.50 trading the NASDAQ, but before I even get started, I want to share what I was peeping at into the market. So we did have a higher time frame bearish weekly cycle sequential SMT, which is a monthly, because peep these highs and these highs. Dow did not sweep these highs, but what an NQ did sweep them. So after that was formed last Wednesday, price continued going lower, and we swept all these lows right here, and we feel this position swing point. So going into open today, I wanted price to go higher, but at open, price did sweep previous day's highs during pre-market session and these daily highs right here from Friday. So what I wanted to see was price to accumulate, because as you can see right here, this is a classic example of a market maker sell model. Price continuation, accumulation, manipulation. I want to get the manipulation, then the distribution. As the price tap into this 4-hour and 1-hour fair value gap, which it did. So my mindset going into open was I wanted to see price at New York Open distribute, which it did, because price continuated at Asia session. As you can see right here, continuated. Then during London session, we did accumulate. Then price manipulated right here, sweeping all external liquidity, which is London lows, Asia lows. Then as soon as we tapped in to the higher time frame Peter Ray, which was that 4-hour gap, which I said before, and which was a new week opening gap, and we also filled in Monday's first presenting gap, I wanted to catch a retracement or a reversal. So after these lows, I'm gonna put it right here. After these lows were made, we did have a weekly cycle sequential SMT right here with the 5-minute persistent swing point. As you can see, Dow did not sweep these lows or these lows, nor did I'm assuming ES. Well, it did, but Peep Dow didn't. So we had a higher time frame sequential SMT, which was on the weekly cycle with Q1 and Q2, into a higher time frame Peter Ray, which was that 4-hour fair value gap, and this new week fair value gap, which confirmed this to be valid, but also want to wait for more confirmation. And y'all know the drill. Want to get the TCISD, which we did off the last bearish candle that was formed. So we have the TCISD, which confirmed that the weekly cycle sequential SMT that was formed into a higher time frame period was valid. And this all happened during the macro session, which gave me more confluence to enter. So I'll put my buy limit right here. As y'all can see, one of is going to show y'all. As y'all can see right here, then got quickly stopped out. But I managed my risk very well, and I was targeting the consequent encroachment of this 5-minute fair value gap, which was the retracement I was talking about. But we eventually got stopped out, as y'all can see right here. Put my buy limit right there, stop loss right there at the bottom of these candles. got stopped out. It happens. I'm not mad at it though because we seen the model that was aligned with the high time frame model, high time frame bias, and it was like if I see my model, I'm gonna take it. I had to respect it. I can't hesitate, even though yes, we're very heavy bearish. I have to respect my model. I have to take it. But I managed my risk well. I took the model. That's all I could do. I can only control what I can control. But nevertheless, I pray y'all have a good day today. Continue to be proper stewards of the time God has given y'all. And I appreciate y'all for tapping in. And let me know, was I tripping? Did y'all take a sell today at open? Let me know in the comments. But besides that, I appreciate y'all for tapping in. And I'll see y'all boys later.